Borsing Rongphar, president of the Difu Press Club, to be conferred with the International Anti-Corruption Award 2022 today at Sri Mantasankaradeva Kalakshetra, Panjabari, Guwahati. The International Anti-Corruption Award 2022 would be conferred to the awardees through the hands of Mrinalini Devi, mother of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, Chief Minister of Assam, and also the Vice President of Assam Sahitya Sabha on the occasion of International Anti-Corruption Day on 8th and 9th of December. The event was initiated by Anti-Corruption Youth Power Assam. A total of 7 awardees were selected from different districts of Assam and 20 awardees were selected from across the nation. Among the selected 7 awardees from the state of Assam, Borsing Rongphar, president of Difu Press Club, was also nominated from Karbi Anglong district and brought laurel to the district and the state. It was nominated on the basis of his honesty, dedication and determination towards his profession. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live.